And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the very first 30mm kit, or the 30-minute mission kit. We have Alto White color version. So here we see in the box art, yes, I bought it from Toys R Us on a discount using a GC. So practically I didn't spend any dime or money buying this kit. So again, back to the kit, we see Alto here, Alto White, and it portrays here that from this kit alone, with the additional armor parts, you can get or form any of these warriors configurations right here. Okay, so off to the side we see here some instructions, or it details you how easy it is to build a 30-minute mission model kit. And then here we see Alto White completed, and off to the other side, some other details of what are the option weapons available for Alto, and of course some color coordinations. So let's open up and see what's inside the box. So first off, we see one bag with one sprue, a multicolored sprue. We have a white, light blue, and color green, and of course a dry transfer sheet. Second bag contains two sprues, all gray. Three sprues, all gray, and the PCB or the ABS joints or ball bearings. And yep, we have here the 30-minute missions assembly guide for Alto White. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue here, wherein it's a multicolored sprue. Again, majority is the white. We have some light blue, or I think this is some purple or light purple, yeah, parts, and a clear green part, where most of these are really the armor for Alto White. And I think these are parts of some small tank droid. Okay, yep. So that's the A sprue. We have the B sprue here, which is all gray. B sprue consists mostly of all gray, and I think some parts for the joints and some frames, mostly the joints. Yep. And we have the C sprue here, which is mostly, I think this is for the weapons, the backpack, and that's all. And we have the PC7 here, which will be used to articulate all the joints. And of course the instruction manual, where again, if I have to remind you, the selling point of the 30-minute missions, 30 minutes missions kits is how easy it is to build them. And of course, once you grab a hold of the custom weapons, how easy it is to customize them. So there you have it, Plamo fans and folks. That was what's inside the very first 30 minutes missions kit, which is the Alto White. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, sharing the videos, and viewing other videos. And until next time, see you and thank you.